Me, oh me, oh my. Oh my goodness. Why didn't they take the time to actually tell her that the freaking vacuum hose was loose and not connected to the vacuum cleaner? Alas, that is the same kind of vacuum that I actually have. Coincidence? They should have been helpful to let her know that the vacuum hose was not connected. Don't you think that was kind of pretty mean to do? I think it was kind of mean. I would have personally told her that it wasn't connected. Gosh, how fucking idiotic and lazy and ignorant and dumb can people be? Jeez, what a facepalm. My, my, my.